Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join the family by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for chilling in, and I love you all. So my people, God, things they happen for that zoological republic nation. I don't know what to call that country. I don't know, but there is this particular video I will leave for you guys to watch, and this video will tell you that Fulani herdsmen, Fulani terrorists are gradually taking over that country. I don't know what our leaders are doing. The leaders, the governors, the government, I don't know what they are doing in that country, but God is in control. I will leave you people to watch this particular video, what is going on right now in Enugu State, Nigeria. So watch the video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this particular video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.
Fulani herdsmen, Fulani militia being fed by federal government of Nigeria, and of course Southeast senators and governors. They are being fed by these irresponsible people. Fulani herdsmen kidnapped my friend yesterday, and this morning they called and they are demanding 6.5 million naira. I can assure you, after negotiation, they might end up paying 2 to 3 million naira. They called me, they've returned to Enugu. Those who escaped are in Enugu now, and they are badly injured. They say, Okulora, we are in trouble. They left yesterday to return yesterday. And this dilemma, this anarchy, this atrocity, it happened yesterday at Oji River in Enugu. This is to tell you who is in diaspora, that nowhere in Igbo land is safe today. In January, Fulani herdsmen kidnapped my friend along Bini bypass, and we ended up paying 2 million naira. Another one kidnapped yesterday, not in Bini, not in Lagos, not in Kogi, not in Castina. They were attacked in Oji River. Oji River is in Enugu State. Wherever you are watching from, I beg you to host a watch party. Click on this link. Take it to your friends on Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, and show other thousands of Igbo people, wherever they are, they understand what is happening today. Fulani herdsmen are in Enugu State kidnapping people. And I can also confirm to you, I can assure you that in the space of 15 months, Southeast governors and bishops, House of Rep, all of them have converged in Enugu for more than 3 times. They banned open grazing in Igbo land. I can assure you, I can achieve in Enugu. Tomorrow they tell you, Enugu State Governor, Devil Mahi, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, that they banned open grazing in Igbo land. Fulani herdsmen are still gallantly parading themselves with cattle in Igbo land. My friend was kidnapped yesterday in Oji River. We were going for a traditional marriage yesterday in Anambra. I should be there with them, but I had an exam yesterday. If not for exam, I would be in Anambra, and I might be unfortunate to be the person kidnapped yesterday. But due to my exams in school being Saturday, yesterday I couldn't go. And one of them was kidnapped, and Fulani herdsmen in Enugu State are asking an Igbo man to pay ransom of 6.5 million naira. And those who called me now, they escaped. They are in Enugu. They were badly injured. They left the hospital and they said, Okulora, we are in trouble. What are we going to do? Fulani herdsmen are asking for 6.5 million naira. Onye Ugu si n'Ugwu Awụsa na ala Igbo kidnap onye Igbo na near 6.5 million naira. I don't know where we go from here. Something is obviously wrong. Governors do not care. Senators do not care. House of Rep do not care. House of Assembly do not care. These people are negotiating presidency with the safety, with the freedom, with the blood of Igbo people. I do not know where we go from here. I told them, have you called the police? They say police is doing nothing. Nigerian police is obviously doing nothing. And I want to go and block Enugu State Government House if only they can come, because Enugu is about the capital of Igbo land. All these are nonsensical meeting. They say Igbo leaders, Igbo elites, Igbo hierarchy, Igbo kingmakers, Igbo traditional rulers, Igbo bishop and pastors and men of God. Every time these idiots are going to gather in Enugu State Government House. There's a consensus. There's a resolution. There is no more open grazing in Igbo land. And tomorrow, I go out and I see Fulani herdsmen perambulating, walking freely with cattle. Does it mean that Enugu State Government, Anambra State Government, Abia, Imo, and of course, they don't have intelligence. They don't have people who capture Fulani herdsmen, still roaming about in Igbo land. Are they not aware? If I, Okulora, an independent reporter, can know, what about one governor that has AIDS? You have an SA, you have special SBA, advisor to governor, this and that, and these things are happening. These, my friends, they live in Lagos. They are businessmen in Lagos, and one of them was wedded yesterday in Anambra State. And they came in solidarity, in support. Coming back to Enugu from Anambra State, in Oji River, they were attacked. As the Fulani men, Budo, is a glass, if you know about an mapo. How are they badly injured? And after this broadcast, I'm going to go and see the extent of injury or damage sustained. And the agony is, one of them was kidnapped by Fulani herdsmen. And they called this morning, they said, I told my friends, go and get 6.5 million naira. From Lagos to Enugu, Enugu to Anambra for a traditional marriage. And you find yourself in a situation of paying a Fulani man, Fulani people, uncircumcised people, 6.5 million naira. Made mention that my friend in Enugu here was kidnapped in Bini Bypass. And there were 3 of them, and 2 were later released, and one of them paid 2 million naira. They were held hostage for 2 days. These are Fulani herdsmen. They were together for 2 days. Fulani na Chinama. The same people na Chinama, they kidnap on mother. And nobody cares. What are we going to do? What is our safety? You might be in diaspora, but you have a brother, you have a mother, you have a cousin. Somehow, there are people related to you in Igbo land. I do not know. Sometimes I feel that our people are not understanding what I'm saying or how I feel. As in until he comes to you. Just for traditional marriage. From Lagos to Enugu, Enugu to Anambra. And they are done. They are coming back to Enugu so they can fly back to Lagos. And this tragedy happened in Oji River, Enugu State. What are we going to do? 0901-734-2796. 0901-734-2796. Call the aides of the governors, all these irats, all these idiots. Let me ask them and also clearly state it to them that for more than 3 times in 1 year, Southeast politicians came together in Enugu and they banned open grazing. They said that it's illegal, that anybody, any Fulani man or woman, seen, viewed, no atrocity, that is a taboo, that is a sacrilege, that it is a crime. Fulani herdsmen are not just rearing cattle, they are kidnapped. My friend, the Mwabokulo and Igbo, we were together yesterday before they left for Anambra State. They went for traditional marriage. I went to school. And this morning, I was about going to see them. Only for them to break a news that they were attacked and brutally smashed by Fulani herdsmen. And in the process of escaping or running away, a lot of them were badly injured and one of them kidnapped. And this morning, the militia, the terrorists, the bandits, in the name of Fulani herdsmen, they won the sum of 6.5 million naira. I can understand why you will pay ransom to Fulani herdsmen in Kanu, anywhere, in Igbo land, Enugu State. It is not possible. I am going to block Enugu State Government House. It is the duty of Governor of Enugu State to protect lives and properties, to protect people. They are not. The only thing that will make me not to go to government of Enugu State and ask questions of them is if my friends are scared, because I can't go alone. You need to come. Show government of Enugu State the injuries you sustained. The number they called you with, the Fulani herdsmen that won 6.5 million naira, you give the number to Enugu State Governor. It is their duty to ensure our safety. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You know what is 6.5 million naira? Even if you have 6.5 million naira in Igbo land, I go to 6.5 million naira, Jenjende Fulani. Who does that?
Hello.
Mommy Joy in Belgium, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning to everybody.
Thank you very much.
Okurora, my brother, we are in problem.
We are in trouble. You said it the other day, Mommy Joy. We are in trouble. Only mwoke ndị Fulani ji ya now. Ndị nke gbara ọsọ merụsịrị arụ n'ime ọfịa ma ndị glass moto kawasị aka. They just left the hospital and they called me.
So, Guinea was the next option because I want to know why not here now. Nobody is safe anymore in Nigeria.
Yes.
So what are we going to do? That is the question. And there is no answer.
No answer.
This question then will be answered. Yes. Because all we know will answer Okurora. And everybody carry that together. Everybody carry that together. A reason everything together. Man wants to do because all these people, Okurora asking somebody in the police in the snag of 1 million naira. As I speak to him, and after 1 million naira.
You see?
After 1 million naira in River State, it's not a joke. It's not good. They are just touching us. And I touch outside the country. They are touching us. And the point is sometimes, when you call people that is back home, they will tell you nothing is happening there.
Mommy Joy, a lot of things are happening. A lot of things. I so Anambra yesterday, man. Enwe me exam yesterday. O kare ebe mwa ba Okulora ndị Igbo ka ndị Fulani jide na Enugu. O bụ na ejide m n'ugwu Awụsa, no problem. Na Enugu, na Bennam, na Nnam, ka Fulani si Katsina bịa kidnap one my friend. Who does that?
It's, I don't know. Now, okay, these people, these governors are not doing anything about it because they are just there for their pockets. Nobody is doing anything about it, and people are dying. These people now are there na our country. All my mother saw now cause nuisance. When I cause nuisance, when I commit all these abominable acts, and nobody is doing anything about it. It's so touching. It's painful.
It's painful.
Because no one will have done together. Please, be careful, okay?
Away. I will not. At risk in Nigeria. That is the point.
Thank
you very much. Thank you very much. Mommy Joy, thank you very much. In Igbo land, if this thing had happened in the north, it's okay. I can talk about that, but not to this extent. This is in Enugu. Nobody's safe. Fulani has men. No Enugu, they kidnap in the Enugu state. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. There is a call from UAE. Caller from UAE. Good morning.
Good morning, Kulora.
I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Sorry, is it always certain because I saw the notification. I was like, maybe I don't know if this is real.
It is. My friend. Oh, my friend, the kidnap Ifa.
So now, okay, thank God. Now that we've seen that he had Orugonolo, you understand? Orugonolo, and then we are still not yet understanding it. You understand? The kind has been crying about it. What kind of name Umaka on now? I saw on the social media. The governor, Southeast governors yesterday, they are communicating yesterday. What did they say in that meeting? They disown IPOB. They are against the secessionists. Even the political leaders, the religious leaders, and then listen to how elders in the land.
Even Bishop, Mandy Bishop, you fell out there, Mefa.
And I see her, and they should make sure that the lives of Igbo in other part of the nation is secure. Which other part of the nation, if not the north? If not the north, and them mad na Igbo. Oh, record it because this is an insult to Igbo people. And I know some youth got put and say the can is a scam. Man, they cannot know bunker, but they don't seem to understand the danger not into until one of the political leaders or 2 or 3 of the Southeast governors is taking until a deal with these people. How can they make this nonsense continuously? Because he had with them. I know my brother is not involved. None of my family has been touched, but he had with them to see our people every now and then. And that's in the Fulani no. In
Enugu state. When they come on a phone one day, on side the in a general mile, when people come on a phone, and the Fulani herdsmen are chopping on a village for Enugu state here. The Fulani chop or mad on a village at Enugu state here. And then we're governor. And we're governor in Enugu state here.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Please feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like this video and share this video to the world. Let the world know what is going on in that zoological republic nation. Let the world know the kind of leaders we have in that country. And I will see you again in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.